Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Get Rid of It, the place where we solve everyday problems so you can live your life worry-free. If you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our helpful videos. Today, we're tackling a common yet distressing issue: white spots on your teeth. It might be a cosmetic concern, but let's be real. It affects how you feel about your smile. Before we dive in, hit that like button, share this video, and leave a comment down below telling me what dental issues you're curious about. Alright, let's get started. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Understand the cause. First things first. The treatment for white spots largely depends on what's causing them. It could be fluorosis, enamel hypoplasia, or even just plaque accumulation. The American Dental Association has a ton of resources to help you identify potential causes. Step 2. Regular and proper oral hygiene. Brushing. Start by brushing your teeth using Fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride helps strengthen tooth enamel. Use a soft-bristle toothbrush so you don't end up eroding more enamel. Brush for at least 2 minutes, covering all surfaces. Flossing. Follow this by flossing to remove plaque from places your toothbrush can't reach. The Mayo Clinic suggests doing this twice a day to maintain oral hygiene. So, take their advice, they know what they're talking about. Step 3. Use a baking soda and hydrogen peroxide mixture. Combine a small amount of baking soda with hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. Apply this paste to the white spots and leave it on for a couple of minutes before rinsing. This can help remove superficial staining, but don't use it too frequently. Step 4. Rinse with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known to whiten teeth and balance the pH levels. However, don't overdo this as it's acidic and could harm your enamel. The WebMD article on natural teeth whitening remedies suggests diluting it with water and using it as a rinse. Step 5. Visit a dentist. If you've tried these methods and still aren't seeing any improvement, schedule an appointment with your dentist. They might recommend options like microabrasion or bleaching treatments. Trust me, these recommendations come from professionals and they are worth considering. Step 6. Preventative measures. Cut down on sugary foods and acidic drinks. Use a straw for beverages that could stain your teeth. Make sure you're consuming enough calcium and vitamin D. Alright, folks, there you have it. 6 straightforward steps to bid farewell to those pesky white spots on your teeth. Remember, it's always best to consult a professional for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Until next time.